What's up, guys? Just want to share something with you. We have this dent on a Tesla, 2018 Tesla, and unfortunately there's a brace that I couldn't access it from the window. So unfortunately we had to take everything from the inside apart so that it allow us to reach access behind the beam right there. Otherwise it's really complicated to try to get around it. But just wanted to share with you guys Tesla Model 3. I'm gonna get in there with that puppy. What's up, guys? We just finished working on the 2018 Tesla Model 3 front door dent. This dent was right on the body line. Unfortunately, this dent was inaccessible from the normal entryway, so we had to take everything apart. Hope you guys enjoyed my video.